Guys, the patch on my battery isn't holding. As you can see, brand new battery, man. When I was making my my rear brake switch lever, the drill bit was so hot when it went through the metal, it just touched this, drilled a hole in there. I think I told you guys about that, and the sealer's not sealing, so that's a brand new battery going to waste. So I actually have this tiny little battery in there now. I have a tiny little, it's like a lawnmower battery. We're replacing that. You know, lucky thing for me, that box is so big, I can fit a Hayabusa battery in there. That's what I'm going to get. The Hayabusa battery is a little bit larger. We're going to put a Hayabusa battery in there. But look what I got. I got a tank bag. I got that on eBay. I think it was like, I think it was 28 bucks. And I mean, it has so many compartments in it. You know, it's got a lot of compartments in it. It's got like side pockets. Another pocket here for you to put it like a, I think there's a cell phone area in here. Yeah, it's got a lot of pockets in there. You know, I could put my glasses in there. I could put a wallet in there. Put my cell phone in here. Let's see what that looks like on the Busa. Yeah, that'll, you know, the nice thing about this is a small tank bag. It actually fits. Look at that, it actually fits perfect on the Busa. It's a magnetic tank bag. There's like these it's like it has a vinyl material underneath here. Here, let me show you guys. Okay, so you guys are interested in it. There, that's the bottom of the tank bag. So, you know, it can't scratch your paint. And the reason why I bought this, guys, is when I'm gonna, this is good till September, because they gave me an inspection. They only gave me a 4-month inspection. Because they said, the dealership told me that, well, it's not a dealership, it's a shop. They told me that since I had a 9 on here, this is only good till September. So, come this September, I got to get this inspected again. And this time I'm going to the Suzuki dealership out here in Newcastle. And I'm going to take the turnpike. That's the fastest way to get out there. And that's why I got a tank bag. That way there I could put my, when you go to the toll booth, all I gotta do is just flip this up. I can put the ticket inside here. I can have my wallet inside here. I can have the amount of money ready. You know what you do is before you get to the toll booth, you pull over, you take your gloves off, you put your gloves in here, you go to the toll booth, pull up the toll booth, unzip this, give them your ticket, the amount of money. Then once you pull away from the toll booth, you pull over, put your gloves back on, and off you go. That's why I got the tank bag, for the sole purpose of traveling the Pennsylvania Turnpike. And you know, the nice thing about that is you go in a store, you just pick it up, these fold in, and you can carry it. There we go. We got it folded up. Pick it up like that. Carry the thing around like a little purse. And that's a Cargo Basics small tank bag on the floor. So guys, let me show you what I did to the Honda Rebel. Chain guards on, guys. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to put the saddlebags right where that triangle is. That's where we're going to put them. That's the nice thing about having that, is we'll put it right there. And what I'll do is I'm going to get some Velcro. I'll get some Velcro straps at Joann Fabrics. And there's like these. I made that. This comes out. This came with. This is like a strap that'll come right out. And we'll put our Velcro straps through here, and we'll wrap it around the top of that strut and around there. And yeah, and maybe one around the swing arm, since the swing arm doesn't move. I keep on having to remind myself, the swing arm doesn't move anymore because you made it solid. So she's actually just about done, man. She's like 99.5% done. The only thing I have to do is I still have to take the carb off, put the new screw set on, and we're going to clean the carb out one more time. And that's about it. She's actually done. We're going to get a license plate on her. And I can road test it finally, guys. Now, when I inspect this, you know what? I can't get... Oh, yeah, except for the tires. That's right. We need tires on it. I can't get an antique plate on this because I keep on forgetting that it's a 2001 frame. I'm still thinking that I have the 85 frame on here, and I don't. This is a 2001 frame, so I can't get an antique plate for it. I have to get a PA inspection sticker on this guy here. So we're taking this out to Newcastle too. It all depends how this holds up. This really isn't a highway bike. You know, maybe if I change the sprockets, I get the tooth down sprocket set on here, maybe then I could take this on the turnpike. Maybe I can't. I mean, it's really not a turnpike motorcycle. This motorcycle here, even though it does have more pickup from what I did to it than your normal Honda Rebel, it's still not made for going 70 miles an hour for like an hour and 15 minutes. But we'll see how it holds up, and maybe I'll take it out there, or maybe I'll trailer it out there. Okay, guys, I'll catch y'all later, man. And yeah, what do you think of that tank bag laying on the floor over there? That's what we got. We got that solely to take the boost on the turnpike.